Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to set an out of office for your Gmail account. So I am currently on the home page of my Gmail or the inbox of my Gmail account. I'm going to go up to settings and then select all settings. All right, and it is called vacation responder. So you can choose to have it on or off. I'm going to put it on, and then you can select what time period you want this to go on. I'm going to have the last day go. Let's go ahead and just set it for 2 days over the weekend. All right, and then we are going to say subject. I'm going to say thanks for your email and then have triple O's for out of office. And then I am going to just come up with a generic message of thanks for your email. I am currently out of the office and will respond when I get back. You could provide an email of someone to forward it to, or someone who you are pointing to while you were out of the office, a coworker or someone, but I'm just going to leave that there. I am going to only send the response to people in my contacts, so once they email me, then this will be bounced back. I am going to save those changes. All right, and it is now going. As you can see by the yellow banner up here at the top, we can choose to change the vacation settings or end now. But that is how to set an out of office in Gmail. I hope that you found this useful. If you did, be sure to give it a like and subscribe.